We're going to continue the social media app, starting with the login. So first, go to the authentication tab, and then okay. Let's make sure I was recording. Okay, so you just click the authentication tab in your Firebase console, and it will go here. So I'll click database. All right, so to get started, you click the setup sign-in method, and right now, yeah, we're just going to do. They even have GitHub. That's nice. Okay, but just click email password. Click enable. Mm, I usually don't. You can enable this if you want. I haven't used it honestly, so I might go through it. But yeah, so now that should be enabled. So now you see if we click back on users with the user tab here, we have no users. So all right, let's get started. So first we need the Firebase Auth Flutter Firebase Auth package. If I could type. All right, so it's right here. I'll leave a link to this in the description as well. So copy this in your public spec YAML file right under Firestore. Click packages get so you can download the package. Pretty much tells you how to use it. So you should already have this. We went through this in the Firestore tutorial that I did. So the first tutorial. So yeah. So this kind of just tells you all of the authentication methods. So uh, they don't really tell you how to use it, but I'll show you. So we just need to, well, first actually, you can copy this, but first we need to click on lib, right click, new, Dart file, and first we need to register to be able to log in, of course. So we'll create a register tab, or register folder. And so again, you can just type STFUL, press enter, and then register right here. I'll import material. I'll show you all the Cupertino widgets as well later though. So um, so let's paste this Firebase Auth stuff right here, and then yeah, well, let's make us. I forget what this is every time. Flutter go to new page, or yeah, navigate to screen. You would think I have this memorized by now, so it's just this code. And what do we have? We actually want to make this the main, or do we? Yeah. What do I have now? Okay, so I'm gonna get something running right here. Which one should I use? We'll go with iOS. So, yeah. So actually, instead, oh man, I just realized I haven't created an app where the login page is first. So, anyways, yeah, well, dang. Yeah, we can redirect this to the login page. That would be just weird, just having a page just to redirect. Why don't we just make it? Yeah, let's go ahead and make this page have register login buttons, I guess. I'm just going off the top with this, so off the top of my head. So instead of, well, we can just comment this out. We'll need something like this later. I'll even comment out the body part. So um, we can do. Should we do? Make it look better now. I'll just show you the functionality. Um, so I'll just put 2 buttons right now. I'm just doing this for now, but we'll make it look way better next video. So I just don't want to make this video about the UI yet. But so we'll do a child of text. We'll do this as the register. We'll do on pressed. Copy that code. Yeah, so we'll copy the on pressed and child. We'll just change this to login. Actually, let's just comment out the login code inside. We'll just change this to register. Alright, so now when you click on that, it will show. I didn't even run it right. Okay, so yeah, so we'll let that build and I'll skip through that. So for the Firebase Auth stuff, I actually like creating a new utility class. Just I don't want to have copy code all throughout the every screen that where I need it, which basically I'm gonna use it in pretty much almost every screen, I believe. Yeah, because we don't want them to go into something they don't need to be going to if they're not logged in, or that we don't want them to go to. You can have, I guess, if you're gonna have sections where people can view certain things without having an account, but yeah, I don't know. So we'll create a new Dart file again, and we'll just do auth util, I guess. And I want to import the login stuff again, or the auth stuff. So what should we call it? Register user. I don't know. Call it whatever you want. uh, oh, actually, oh, should we have static? Isn't static? I don't remember. Come on. I don't have a class. So, class auth util. Yeah, I'm definitely tripping. Okay. Might want to return a Firebase user, I guess. Or, I don't know. Okay. So, we'll pass name, password, or you can pass a map. We might do that, but yeah. Name, password. Yeah, that's all we need. Username, password. So it'll be Firebase Auth dot instance. I believe you do that. Wait, yeah. Sign in. Email and password. Okay. And oh, so yeah, it does have to be email. I didn't think about it, but yeah, we'll say that's the username. So that's how I usually do it, anyways. So if you have a separate username from the password for the email, you can. So because we're gonna have basically a user table, so we can store their like a first name, last name type thing, and save their profile type stuff. Yeah. So, anyways, um, yeah. What is this return? So yeah, it's auth result. It returns auth result. So it's dot auth result, isn't it? Auth result dot. Okay, yeah, that's what it is. So we'll just return this to that. That looks weird because I'm doing a return. Yeah, so yeah, this is something new in the library because you could just return. I think it returned the user after you signed it. Anyways, so and this is sign in. So actually, we'll just call it sign in user. My bad, guys. Um, so then, oh man, sorry, I'm tired. So register. Sign. Wait, do you just use sign in for? Just look through all the methods real quick. Okay, yeah, so I think it does sign in. We'll check all these areas. Yeah, so I think it does create a new user once you do register. So we could just do that. I wrote the code once and I never looked back at it. So all right. Yeah. So how does this look now? It's so ugly. I want to at least enter this. So, oh man. All right. I mean, I'm not gonna work on the UI now. I want to at least look a little better. But we will actually work a lot on the UI on this, so don't worry. Or shall I do spacing? Yeah, okay. And yeah, we'll just put the direct center. Oh man, I'm messing everything up. Yeah, I don't want that much space. Let's see. What is this? Oh, okay, okay. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. I'm tripping. Yeah, I should start coding more. We could just wrap it with center. But anyways, I should just start coding it. Um, start coding more while I'm awake. I'm so busy with work. Let me mute my phone real quick. All right. So it doesn't interrupt. Okay. So when we click register, we should go to the register screen, although it doesn't have a scaffold on it. So what does it have? What do we put in it? Nothing. Oh, so yeah. So it's just a black screen. That's actually what I think the default color for containers black. So what? Let me do that. But anyways, we need to return a scaffold and then add our AppBar. And we'll add a title, and this takes any widget, so we'll add later, we'll add the actual icon. I'll create some ugly icon. I'm not that good of an artist, but I'll create an icon. Or if you know how to create icons, feel free to send me a link, and you can have your icon in this video series. So anyways, we'll do register. um, do body, or still navbar. Okay, we don't return it. Make sure you add your semicolon there. And we want to do I like doing list views. For my login, just to give it a little scroll view. We could use a scroll view and column, whatever. Anyways, so let's look at that. So now it gives us the little app bar and the little back button. So we'll add, I'll just add email and password for now. Oh man, okay, so we'll do email controller. We'll make these in a minute. So yeah, pretty. So this is just making it look pretty, I guess. Input decoration. So so I have icon. So we're doing, what is it? Icon. Oh yeah. Okay. So email. So we need for it to compile, we need to add this controller. So I'll just show you what it looks like. So I'm kind of designing. I don't want it to look too ugly, but we'll make it even look better than this. So yeah, in the new Dart, you don't have to put the new keywords. So see, it gives you this little email icon, and we can set the keyboard type out as well. So um, what is the keyboard type? I don't remember. So I'll just look it up real quick. Oh, so it's a text input type. So email. So they have a phone or whatever. So now I'll just show you. You might have to go back and go back in. I think that was actually it. So the main thing to notice is it gives you this at symbol and the dot. So yeah. And then we'll also do passwords. So let's see. Just create all or copy all this. So and make sure to add a comma right there. And we'll do password controller. Um, let's do text usually. Dev password key maybe. Maybe dev just key VPN key that'll work. See, they give you these, let you see the icons there. Actually, when you're typing them in too, when it gives you the suggested keywords, whatever, it also shows you the image. But yeah. So what do I name it? Password controller. So just to show you. Yeah. So we need to add a confirm password as well. So this video is starting to get long. So um, yeah, I'll just make another video where we'll add the name and everything else. So yeah. So let me see. So just copy all of this. Confirm controller. And it's not visible. They have a field in here where you basically obscure text, yeah. So that gives you the little dots when you're typing. So I'll show you. See, when you type, it hides it. So that's what obscure text. See, you don't have obscure text. Basically default is false, I guess, on obscure text. So, and we'll add the password or the login button. Yeah, or register button or whatever. So almost type register. Okay. So raise button. So I don't know the colors that I want to use on this. Maybe green. I like green. Blue is my favorite color. So yeah, but blue is used so much. We'll do purple. I mean, suggest a color in the comments because I don't know. I'll do purple net for now. So, anyways, let's get this video done. So, register. So, color. And then next we'll do on pressed. And we'll do what's the auth util? And so sign in, which this will be email controller. Actually, yep. Okay, so before we do this, let's comment this out real quick. Okay, so they have validators on this, so oh, okay, yeah. So we have to wrap it with the form. So they have it in here. They show you how to do it. That's what it was. So and we have to change them to form fields. So it's not just a regular text field. They have a example here actually. So you wrap it with the form widget, and we have to change all these to. That's what gives you. That's why it wasn't giving me the validator. So, um, yeah, this kind of. Okay, so actually, we'll just do this. So, and then we'll copy all of these text fields into the form, right? Or what is it, children or child? So okay, so they use the column. So, dang, what's the point of a list view? Okay, that's fine. That's fine. That's fine. Okay, no, I don't want. Hmm. I mean, we don't really need the list view, so yeah, okay, yeah. No, we'll leave it. We'll leave it. So, so we'll just copy all those there. So we'll change all these to text form fields, and they have the validator. So, which I forgot how to even use it. Value, yeah, okay. Just copy this. Please enter an email. So we'll just copy this validator stuff right here. We'll change this a little bit. Please enter in password. This get complicated. I wrote a really complicated validator for emails. Checking that add a dot, make sure you have characters after the dot. We'll get into that on the next video. So I just want to share that login real quick. But on this, uh, we want to check if I is not we okay. So we'll check that as well. But what did I copy? Okay, it just jumped there. So you want to check the password controller.text is empty or .text. So we want to check if the value, sorry, is not equal to password controller text. Basically, if this confirmed password is not equal to the password that we enter, we want to tell them, please enter the same password. I guess I have to look at some apps and see what they used or even what I used. So on here, which I believe you have to give it a key, form key. I'm not sure if you really need this, but I did it. I think because that's what they had in the example anyway. So key. And so I don't even think you put the button in there. Oh, you do put the button in the form. Oh wait, yeah. Or did they? Yeah, I don't remember if I even put the button in the form before. So, anyways, we'll go ahead and do it since that's what Flutter has on their webpage. Um, so they have if form. This basically validates it, and if it doesn't, if this is false, it shows an error. Which this is really nice to watch. Um, so I actually don't want this snack bar on here. And it's not even a really iOS thing. I guess you could put it on there. But I mean, I'm an Android fan, but anyways. Um so basically this is if it is true. So if it's not, we don't have to tell them anything really. But we can go ahead and print out to ourselves that check errors. I don't know. But it'll show you errors for you. Watch. So yeah, and if that's the case, we'll sign them in. So we use the email controller.txt and the password.txt. Controller.txt. So there's a lot of errors. I knew I copied some stuff over. Oh my gosh. Remember when I said the screen jumped? Oh man, that sucks. What we'll do, just copy this. Oh man, I'll just undo everything. So it was when I copied the second form field, I think, I know y'all remember when I was saying. So yeah, which doesn't have the form key again. Remember, we undid that. So we'll just copy this real quick. Okay, so that should be good. Yeah. Anyways, so yeah, let's check this out. I'll do a whole rerun. We'll change that to be white. So see, that's why I don't want to do the UI now because I'll spend forever doing it. Okay, so we'll just I have to. It's bothering me that it's black because you can barely see it. So, anyways, so change the text color on the raise button or any button really. How do I write text again? So it's text style, and then you write color here. Oh man, the autocomplete wasn't going fast enough for me, so I'll press enter. So that makes it white. Okay. It needs padding. See, I get too much into it. So Chris at test.com. ASFDKL. And I'll just do this. Watch, when you press register, please enter the same password. So if something is invalid, it will show you this error, which is cool. That's what the validator does for you. So you have to use the form for that. So we don't need this list view. We might wrap it with a container or something, or just use the form. Actually, option enter or alt enter if you're on Windows. Move the switcher. So yeah, I have to add padding. I'm sorry, guys. It's just killing me. We'll just do it around the column. Okay. Yeah. So let's actually log in now or register, whatever. So ASDFG H. Yeah, because you need 6 characters. So just in case you have anything less than 6, it might not work. That's why. And that actually gives you errors. We'll handle errors the next video also. So we'll just do register. And let's look at run. See, there has to be a saying user not found. So what is the Firebase? Actually, let's go to auth. If you go to their GitHub page, they usually have example code. So let's see. See that source under source code, you can click that, and they'll have the sorry, the actual example code. Sorry, I couldn't talk. So I clicked on an example. So we're going to lib register. Have a register page. See, they're gonna make me look bad. So they've used the form as well. Register. Oh, create user with email and password. Okay. So let's go back to our auth util. Copy this. We'll name it create user. No, we'll do register. I get confused when I name it sort of the same as what the library used. So I don't want to do that. Look at that. I swear I didn't see that before. But anyways, so not much of a change. So let's just rerun that. Let's click register. Chris at test.com. Let's do register. Oh, oh man, I'm tripping. Sorry guys, I never changed the. I was like, what? Let's run this one more time. Okay. So click register. Video shouldn't have been this long. So it looks like it worked. I'm not printing anything out. So let's check the console. So if we refresh this page, we should see our new user here. So next we'll create a login page, and then after that we'll do design. I want to do design video, and we'll use the WXD to do the design. But you see, providers, so it shows the identifier, which is the email provider. So if you have multiple authentication methods, so if you have like Google, any of these extra ones, it'll also show by this email, the little icon of whatever it is. Shows you the created date, the signed in date, and the user ID. We'll save this user ID to a user table that we'll create so that we can add other stuff like their name, first name. So we'll add more stuff to registration. So probably just their name and their first name for now. I'm not sure what I want the social media app to be. I'm trying to just make it as generic as possible. So you can even add your own user here with the email and password. I usually do this when I create a web admin, but that'll be another video soon. See, with mobile, you still have to know web. I guess you can create it with Flutter. I was going to do it with that, but no. I'll use Angular or React or something for the web admin side. So anyways, next we'll create the sign-in page. Then after that, we'll do the design and make the sign-in page register look better. We'll also do the add more checks to the sign in and register, because they give you back error codes to check, so as well as do our own checks. So yeah, we'll show pop-ups if something's not valid after, if we do checks and then it's another Firebase error, like saying they're trying to create account with the same email. So we don't really want to check each time they type, so we'll just let Firebase do that. When they click submit, we'll show a pop-up stating that error. So, but we'll make it friendly and look nice. And okay, so if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and look forward to more videos. Thank you for watching. See ya.